Hey guys, it's your girl The Real K, and I'm back with another video. So today's video, I will be doing an unboxing of some Jordan 1 mids. I was supposed to do this video Thursday morning, but I had work, so I wasn't able to do it because I was rushing. I don't never get up on time for work, and that's sad. But if you are new to the channel, like, share, and subscribe, please and thank you. So let's get into it. So I got these from Nike, and the original price was like $110, I think. And I ended up getting them for like 66 bucks. What these look like in a box, and I think these are called the triple black women's mid Air Jordan 1s. So I like them. I really haven't seen anybody with these. They have a second pair that's out that's all pattern leather, and I was thinking about buying those, but I was like, if I have these that have pattern leather on them, what's the point of getting the all pattern leather shoe? So I don't know. I may end up getting them just because the other one is all pattern leather and this one only has a little bit of pattern leather on it. So yeah, I haven't decided yet, but the leather on these is kind of stiff. Let me show y'all. Let me see. Like, look at this. Like, yeah, like, it's like real stiff, like real stiff. But it's okay. I still like the shoe. It's still a dope shoe. I feel like you can kind of wear these with pretty much anything just because it's an all black shoe. Then it's pattern leather look glossy. Kind of look glossy. Then you have the black Nike swoosh. And then you have the black wing on the side. And you have the Jordan Air on the tongue. But I'm not for sure if y'all can see the jump in the air because it's like really, really black. You can kind of see the air a little bit. But yeah. I was thinking about doing it on feet for these. I may do it on feet, and if I do, it will be added to the end of this video. Here's both of them. But yeah, I really like these. I seriously haven't seen like anybody with these, but when I went to go back and check Nike.com, they were all sold out. So I guess people just picked them up because they was on sale, or because we just stuck in the house and there's nothing else to do but just buy stuff. So yeah, but I really like them, and I'm like really debating if I should get the other Jordan 1 mids that's just all pattern leather. So I may, and if I do, you guys would know because I would drop another video.